Hi, my name is Samir Samal. Whenever I meet somebody for the first time, I never say I'm an entrepreneur, the CEO of Blue Ocean Global Technology, or the co-founder of Girl Power Talk. I always say, first and foremost, I'm an educator. And I'm passionate about helping people make the most informed decisions. And I do that speaking at conferences all over the world, being a published author on a wide variety of content, and even authoring continuing education programs for executives, financial advisors, and attorneys. So why am I here today to talk about our website Concierge service? And I'm passionate about helping people make the most informed decisions. Well, over the past 15 years, I've led campaigns for our clients, PR agencies, Fortune 500 companies, and many small and medium-sized growth businesses, building their digital presence. And of course, digital presence includes all those choices: content, videos, blogs, ads, social media. Those all come together to form your online reputation. And what made our clients most successful is they focused on first building a solid foundation. So at a high level, we were trusted with large campaigns, but it was actually our acute focus on the H1, H2 tags, making sure that our technical team is going in there and spending time each day so that people are receiving an optimal experience. No matter what you do online and how big your business is, ultimately it comes down to that foundation. And so we said, hey, if our biggest clients have come from doing maybe some of the things that others didn't want to do, or from having such a relentless focus on the small things, and of course, those people that can be trusted with the small things can be trusted with the large ones, we said, why don't we create an offering that is a no-brainer so that people in 1 month can get to know us and we can build long-term relationships. And that's why we created our website Concierge. So what's included? We will each month focus on your website security, protecting your data and your clients' data. 24/7 monitoring of your web presence to ensure that you have a flawless user experience. We'll review your current web interface and make sure that everything is working to your industry standards, your client profile. And of course, that word SEO. So when I'm speaking at a keynote, it doesn't matter whether there's 20 people or 2,000 people and you use the word SEO, everybody always laughs when I say it's kind of a dirty word. Nobody trusts it. That's because most people have had a bad experience, and Google is so smart. It's changed from 20 years ago, and now there is a really technical process to making sure that you get results. So we'll provide an SEO consultation, and within the website Concierge, we will make sure you have on-demand access to our global team of technical professionals, designers, developers, social media strategists, so that we can ensure that all your questions are answered. We're educating you on the subjects that maybe you know a little bit about, haven't gotten results on, and together we're working to make sure that you make the most informed decisions. My name is Samir Samal. I look forward to meeting you. Thank you so much. And together we're working to make sure that you make the most informed decisions.